Hello and welcome to another uSchoolme presentation. Today you're going to learn how to implement a really nice commenting system into your Tumblr blog. So I'm going to start by launching my browser. I use Safari, but I recommend Firefox as well. And I have two tabs open. The first is my Tumblr dashboard. I'm logged in. And the second is Disqus.com, and this is our commenting solution. Now the URL is just disqus.com. And all we have to do here to start is click on Get Started. It's a really simple sign-up process. So I'm going to start by entering my email, create a username for your account, and finally create a password. Then just click Sign Up. Next thing we have to do is get our website URL. Now the easiest way to do this and make sure there's no error is I'm going to go back to my Tumblr dashboard. And I'm just going to click on the link to my Tumblr page and I'm going to load it. This way I get the HTTP, everything's added for me. I'm going to highlight that and just choose to copy the text from the edit menu. You can also press Command C or Control C if you're on a PC. I'll go back to Disqus and I'm going to press Command V to paste that in. Next, give your website a name. And it will automatically create a short name. Then just click Done, and we're good to go. Next thing it does is ask you to choose your platform. Now, of course, we're using Tumblr, but if you follow this tutorial, you'll be able to apply it to any of these. You just have to make sure you choose the right platform. So I'm going to click on Tumblr, and what this is going to do is generate some code for me that we have to paste in to the custom HTML area on the Tumblr page. So, as you can see, the instructions are very clear. Log into your Tumblr account and edit your theme and select custom HTML. So the first thing I'm going to do is go back to my Tumblr page. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. We can also click customize there, but from the dashboard, I'm going to click on customize. Then all we have to do is click on theme, and down the bottom here, we choose Use Custom HTML. Now this will load all the code for your page, and it will look very daunting and scary, and there's a huge amount of it, but don't worry, you don't have to read through it all, and embarrassingly that's what I did the first time. But there we go, there's our code. So I'm going to go back to our instructions. Now the next step, step 2, says paste the following code so it's right before, and then it gives you the code to look for in your custom HTML section. So I'm going to click once here to select it. I'm going to press Command C. You can see here it gives us also a screenshot of what it should look like. And what we want to do is paste it right before /block:/posts. Now I'm going to go back to my custom page. Okay, and then I'm going to press Command F on my keyboard, and it's going to bring up the find option. So what I'm going to do is type /block:/posts. Now you can see there's only two matches. Now the first one doesn't look right. We can go back here. That's what it should look like. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click on the arrow and jump to the next one. So there we are. That's the code we were looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click above it and hit return, and then I'm just going to press Command V to paste in that code. Now the next bit is really easy. It just says post this code somewhere after blocks:/posts. So there we go. Something like that is fine. So I'm going to go back here, and after it I'm just going to hit return. I'm going to paste in that second piece of code, and then I'm going to click Save Changes. Now if we've done this correctly, all should be ready to go. So to test this out, I'm going to click on I want to learn Tumblr, my URL on the dashboard. Yay, and you can see that it's added this comments link under each of our posts. So if I wanted to add a comment to this music video, I would click on 0 comments, and there we go. I can type in my comment here and click Post As. If you have a Disqus account, you can see I'm already logged in, and I can just click Post as Tumblr 22. If you don't, it will ask you to enter a username and a password, but there we go. There's the first comment, and people can reply to it. I can edit it, and there's a whole bunch of cool options, maybe something we'll look at in a later stage. So I'm going to go back to Disqus, and I'm going to click Done. Now, you can go in and add more details and customize everything, but I'm going to leave it there. That's a very simple way of adding commenting features to your Tumblr blog. I hope that was useful, and good luck doing it yourself.